Lapis Buddha, a poem by Robin Christopher Amaral. Jasmine dreaming, midnight ultraviolet, constellations liquid lace, Cygnus on wing twilight, canopy of lucid secrets expose the mute down, feather sensations blend, gold pearl aura, hungered pulse, cat-eye crescents, crystal talisman glimmer, Kali in tongues, Lapis Buddha smiles, pressed golden flower, revered swollen ruby, touch magic.